Okay, welcome everyone again on our channel. Today we're gonna present you the typical Ubiquiti device, which is UniFi UAP. Let's start with the quick unboxing here. Ubiquiti leaflet. Device itself. Power cord. PoE adapter with two ports, LAN and PoE. Of course, quick start guide. Some screws, keep nuts and and screw anchors for mounting. If you would like to mount it on the ceiling, you have a ceiling backing plate. In this movie, I'm also going to show you the way how to connect this device to the network by the help of UniFi controller software. So as to run the device and configure it properly in our Ubiquiti controller software, we have to do a few steps. So simply slide it. There was also the back of our device and our mounting bracket. Here we've got port to which we connect simple patch cord. The second end goes to PoE port in our PoE adapter. Next step is to connect LAN cable into the second port, of course LAN. And the second end goes directly into the port of our computer. The last step is to give it some power, so connect this cable right here. And it's simple as that. Maybe you don't see it, but here is the orange or amber color. So this is exactly what we need to do. Right now we proceed to the configuration process. Okay, to start with, we go to the official website of Ubiquiti, click downloads, then UniFi UAP, and choose the proper UniFi controller software for your operating system and download file. It is also important to have IP set on your network card, so click here, then scroll a little bit, click here, right mouse button here, properties, double click right here and type in these numbers. Okay, now we can install the software. Okay, so we proceed to installation. Install. And start. We have to wait a little. Okay, now launch the software. Advanced. Proceed to localhost. Then choose your country and time zone. Click next. Then select the device. Create your network. Click next. Then we are creating our account. Sorry. Password. And email address. Then click next and finish and skip. Okay, now we log in to our new account. Click here for devices, and here we can see that our UniFi is properly connected, and in this tab users I'm going to show you that I can connect some smartphone to our new network, so let's get to it. Okay, now we connect our smartphone to our new network. In my case it's iPhone, so enable Wi-Fi, then select network, provide password, connected, and now we verify if we have internet. I'm gonna refresh this page. Everything works. Okay, as I said before, in the tab users we have our devices connected to our new network. In my case it's iPhone, and everything is fine. So in this movie it will be all. I also invite you to look at our other videos, and see you again next time.